Hello everyone, welcome to the Drishti IAS new series of To The Point. In this session, the topic of discussion is Gross Environment Product or GEP. First of all, let's know why this is in news. The Uttarakhand government has announced that it will evaluate its natural resources on the basis of Gross Environmental Product or GEP. The state will assign monetary value to four important natural resources: air, water, forest, and soil. The quality and quantity of these natural resources would determine the state's gross environmental product. It will also be used in the assessment of the state's gross domestic product or GDP. Uttarakhand has become the first state in the country to do so. Now let's know about GEP in brief. GEP is primarily an assessment system to measure ecological status. GEP aims to specific indicators to measure the total economic value of all ecosystem products and services. GEP is the total value of final ecosystem goods and services supplied to human well-being in a region annually. It can be measured in terms of biophysical value and monetary value. Ecosystems that can be measured include natural ecosystems and artificial systems. Natural ecosystems such as forests, grassland, wetland, desert, freshwater, and ocean. Artificial systems are based on natural processes like farmland, pastures, aquaculture farms, and urban greenland, etc. Now let's understand the significance of GEP. GEP can help to achieve sustainable development by measuring the value of ecosystem services. The value of ecosystem services is about twice as much as the global GDP. It will help in the conservation of the environment. GEP will help to reflect not only the economic benefits but also the ecological cost of each region. Now have a look on some other important facts. According to Robert Costanza, ecosystem services are the benefits that the human receives directly or indirectly from the ecosystem. The term ecosystem services was coined in 1981 to attract academics towards this aspect. Now it's time for practice question. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Gross environment product is primarily an assessment system to measure ecological status. Statement 2. GEP is the total value of final ecosystem goods and services supplied to human well-being in a region biennially. Which of the above statements are correct? Options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, and the last D. neither 1 nor 2. Don't forget to answer this question in the comment box. Stay tuned for the next session. Till then, Jai Hind. Dear viewers, to watch this topic in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.